Hello, welcome back. Our next pattern is going to be progressive change step. Progressive change step. There's going to be a forward progressive and a back progressive on this one, okay? Now, what I want you to do is understand it's like a box, but put it in half box steps, okay? So we're going to start from this angle. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nicely done. Yes? Now, like I said, it's going to go forward, but we're going to go backwards this time from this angle. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. So let's do it one more time on this one, the short ball. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you would just repeat after that. So let's do that again, but we're going to actually go backwards, okay? Start with the left foot, gentlemen. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nicely done. Again, that's just one basic compared to what we did long ways. So this time we're going to put the ladies back here. Start with your left foot, gentlemen. Ladies right. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see how that works? So from this angle, start with the right foot, ladies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. So you've seen we got two long ones, okay? Both ways, forward and back. And then we have also a short ball. Cool? All right, go back over this as much as you need to, and we'll come on back for the next pattern.